What are you doing with that? Oh, you lose your penny. You won't be able to save up for that car that you're buying me. Not for you. You're buying Daddy a car.
Dad.
Uh-huh. Can you say potato?
Potato.
Can you say money?
Money.
Can you say tomato?
Money.
That's not tomato, Maxie. Where's tomato?
Mommy.
Oh, you can say mummy. Where's Daddy?
Mom.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Can you say anti-disestablishmentarianism? Can you go wah 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 wah? Nearly. We made a stab at it. It's good enough. What's the dog do? What does the cow do? What's the seal do? I don't think I've taught you that. What's the sheep do? What's Maxie do? What do you do? Is that what you do? Where's your baby? You got a baby in your belly? Oh dear. I think there's something wrong with you if you've got a baby in your belly. Is that in there? Oh jings. We might have to take you back. You're faulty if you've got a baby in you. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where you going? Milk? Milk time? Let's get your milk.